How to collect emails in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to collect some of the emails into your Squarespace. So you're going basically to create some sign up forms, and these forms are going to be received into your email. So you're going to collect the contacts, and with these emails or these contacts, you're going to be able to create your own campaigns. Either it is going to be a Squarespace email campaigns or an external email collection for future campaigns. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. You're going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see this specific area. Now you're going to head over the emoticon or the favicon of your account, click on it, and then you're going to see the account dashboard. When you click on account dashboard, you're going to see all the websites that you have created. Remember that any of the email addresses that has been put in this specific video are going to be created only for the sake of the video and not for any personal uses. So that means that you need to use your own information and not the emails. Now, once you are going to be in here, you're going to click on the website that you want to start collecting the emails. For example, I have this Jack's recipes. I'm going to click on it. Basically, maybe we are going to put a campaign for newsletters, for new recipes, and etc. Since it is going to be going well with the themes. And then, as you can see here, we are going to set up everything. Now, what we're going to do is you click on edit on the website. From here, you're going to see all of the website elements. You can go ahead and see if we have some of the specific sections that has been set up already, or you can go ahead and add a section at the bottom before the footer. For example, I'm going to add here a section that is going to be demanding a specific email address. So we're going to navigate through here. So let's see if we have some contact. This is a contact, but not a subscription. So you can go ahead and use these as an email collection. As you can see, fields. You can go ahead and add these, or you can go ahead and set up a section that is going to be a blank section, for example, like that. And this blank section, we're going to add a block. And this block is going to be, for example, a newsletter. So we are going to have this newsletter as a block. Now I'm going to make this section a little bit smaller. So we're going to have the block in here, or you can go ahead and have this section or this specific block. Also, you can go ahead and add an image. So we are going to make it a little bit bigger, so it is going to be contained in here. So we are going to select from the library. We have here the, let's say, maybe this one. We are going to add the food images. I'm going to have it just like that. And we're going to have it just like this. Now, as you can see, we are going to have this image. It is not going to be wide enough, but I think that it is going to cover well the specific space. Now you're going to see that we have this specific newsletter. You're going to click on edit, and then you're going to see the form name, the title, and the description. Also, we have a disclaimer and the button text, as for example, sign up. Require the name field. For example, you can go ahead and have here some fields like the first name, last name, but I'm not going to be interested in those. Also, for the post submit, you're going to have some message or redirecting to another page. So we are going to have here thank you page. And from here, I'm going to let you see that we are going to put a little description. So to receive, for example, new, maybe recipe, like that, recipes and more, let's say, food tips, for example, or cooking tips instead of food. Cooking, for example, tips. And we're going to for free, which is most people like for free, just like that. And we're going to make it bold. So we're going to have it like this. And then you can go ahead and put the whether disclaimer, the sign up, or join, for example, sign up for our For example, we are going to put for our newsletter or letters you're with, for example, like that. And here we have it. You can go ahead and design, for example, the layout. Here we have a float. You can put it as stack. We have the alignment, as you can see, of the sign up. So we're going to head over here for design. You can set up the alignment, as I have said before. Basically, it is best to put it in the middle. We have the background. You can go ahead and enable a background color or let it transparent as it is. So you can go ahead and change the background color. You can add a stroke for it, for example, a discontinued pointing, and also you can set up the corner radius and something like that. You can use the blend mode, and also you can use some blur. So aside from that, you're going to have here the final step, which is going to be the storage. So here we have the Squarespace storage or other storage like MailChimp, Zapier, and Google Drive. If you want to be interested or you are interested in storing the emails addresses into a Google Sheet file, you're going to need the help of Google Drive. So you're going to connect your Google Drive and it is going to create a spreadsheet. Zapier, also it is going to be storing them. MailChimp, also it is going to be a email marketing or an SMS and email marketing platform with success. It is going to be also your way to create some marketing campaigns. Now for the Squarespace, it is going to be in here, so you can go ahead and view your contacts or email subscribers. You can add the or to mailing lists, for example, if you are going to create some mailing lists. And for the verification, you can send a confirmation email, and it is not going to be very recommended because maybe some people will not like the confirmation on a newsletter. So you're going to use that only for the verification of sign ups or sign ins. Then you're going to enable the Google reCAPTCHA, so it is going to prevent the spam, email submissions, and etc. So you're not going to receive more than one email per person. Basically, you're going to have your section set up like that, and then you're going to click on save. When you finish everything, you're going to head over the specific, whether, let's say, marketing, and from here, you're going to see the email campaigns. So basically, you're going to have here the emails and also the specific contacts. So instead of the announcement boards and etc., you're going to have here your contacts. You can import the subscribers or have your subscribers added from a specific weather place. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.